For as low as 10,000 sa monthly amortization via Pag-ibig Financing, meron ka ng 2-story townhouse na very accessible sa lahat. Dahil located ito along Antero Soriano Highway at 1 bus ride lang ito going to PITA. Approximately 45 minutes drive lang ito from Manila via Cavite at 5 to 8 minutes drive lang ito going to SM Tansya. Tayong malapit na worship area, schools, malls, market, hospitals, Cavite Gateway Terminal, Cavite Bataan Bridge, airport at sa i-rehabilitate na PNR going to Nasugbu, Batangas. Kaya naman kung interesado ka, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search band. We have here our Porsche model unit na available for ready for occupancy at pre-selling. Provision ito for 1 carport at ang minimum lot size ay 45 square meters at ang floor area ay 40 square meters. May enough space tayo for living at dining area at syempre meron tayong service area. Pwede mong gawing extension ng kitchen natin. Meron tayong 1 powder room dito sa ground floor with bowl and lavatory. At meron din tayong 1 bedroom. Tamang-tama ito if meron tayong kasama sa bahay na hirap nang umakyat. Semi-finished turnover na to kaya naman with room partition, primary paint at ceiling. Livable na ang actual turnover natin at tiles na lang ang kulang. Meron tayong 1 toilet and bath dito sa second floor at meron tayo ditong 2 bedroom. Pwede mo ipaslab ang service area natin para magagamit mo ito as additional floor area dito sa second floor. Every quarter nagkakaroon tayo ng malaking increase sa real estate properties. Kaya naman kung ayaw mo na malayong location, invest now. Just send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang house viewing mo.